It's me again. How are ya? G'day, mate. It's Chris. Chris the Aussie from Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tyler for 35 years and, you know, I'd like to show you what it's all about. So lean in and have a look. See how I've slurried? My slurry is glue this time, like I showed you before. We'll just rip this back and then I'll be ready for my tiles again. So what you do, you DIYs, listen carefully and hopefully I can teach you what it's all about. See how we're nice and level? This screed here is level, my perimeter is dead level. So all we do now is just drag it back. I'm a little bit low, so we'll spread a bit, fill a bit in. It doesn't have to look like a skating rink as long as it's flat and level. That is the key. Just throw a bit around there. Flat is the key. It doesn't have to look like a skating rink. Always being careful not to dig in at your ends, at each end of the level. And there you have it. I'll slap down some tiles now and go for lunch.